Hey, I'm going to install this Allen Roth Welton style outdoor wall lantern. So I'm going to unbox it and show you what it looks like too. Yeah, lots of styrofoam with this baby. I got the inside patch with styrofoam too. Nothing else in there. Some little connectors. Okay, the bottom of this baby's open. Glass or plastic, whatever that is on the other side. So you can see here, there's two screws right there. So those are going to need to come out so we can pull all this packing out. Alright, here's the lights I'm going to put in this thing. I had to make another trip back to the store. I bought the wrong lights, so make sure you get the ones with the narrow base. So even if you got to take the thing out of the box at the store, so if you get the regular fat ones, they ain't going to work. So this is the ones right here. These are kind of cool because they're vintage looking too, but they're LED. Okay, we got those in there. Now we're going to go ahead and actually set these screws back up on here so I wouldn't lose them. But we'll go ahead and secure these screws back to the top there. Okay, we've got this thing back installed. Just screwed these two screws in, unwrap the wires here. For me, my wiring configurations, it's going to be white to white and black to black, you know, from the house to the light and ground to ground. So let's go take off the old fixture. Okay, here's the one we're taking off. So to take this one off, we're just going to go ahead and unscrew both of these here. Got the power off too. Okay, there's our ground. White and black here. Now this is going to go, so I'm going to go ahead and install this baby like that. And that way this thing will turn like that. So go ahead and put those two screws right back in where we took those old ones out. All right, I got this baby up. Now the nice thing about this too is if this isn't straight, not a big deal because you can lock this in, you know, any position you want. So you want this thing nice and straight, level. So I'm going to slap a level on the top of this and then tighten these two Phillips screws up, make sure it's level. Okay, there's what I did. I stuck the level on top of there. Happens to be a magnetic level, which I thought was going to help me out a little bit, but it still falls off of there. But then I just tightened that one up and that one up real good. Now we can wire it up. Okay, here's how I did it. I went white to white, black to black. I'm gonna put some tape on these two just because they're exterior, and then I put both grounds right in there. So I'll tape them up and then we'll mount this. These two holes are gonna go right through there. There we go, man. These babies are nice and bright. I like that. Let's see how it looks at night. Yeah, these are nice. I'm very happy with these. Nice and bright.